this is Nora from Daily, and today I'm here in Beijing for the launch of the Realme X. It's the first smartphone that Realme has released in China, so that's pretty exciting. And for our Indian fans, it's good to know that this will be released in India very soon. I don't have the exact dates, but soon. This phone has a rather nice darkish blue and purple gradient color. The back is a curved glass design, and it feels really good in your hand. It's not too big or clunky, but I'd say just right. So this phone comes with a 6.53-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution, and it has minimal bezels, so it's like a full screen. It has a 16-megapixel pop-up camera, and in the back we have a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX586 sensor, and the second camera is a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The Realme X is powered by Snapdragon 710, so it's not the fastest chipset, but it's alright for this price range. And it runs on the Color OS 6, which is OPPO's own UI. It looks a little bit childish, in my opinion, but that's all personal preference, so you do you. So you can get it in either white or this blue-purple gradient. But if that's not interesting enough for you, they also have these new colors, which are like super weird. It's a garlic and onion, so have a look at those. For 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, this phone sells at $220. So that's quite cheap. Like, it's the same price range as the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So if you're considering that, you might also want to consider the Realme. Now, if you want an even cheaper phone, you can opt for the Realme X Youth Edition. It's actually just a rebranded version of the Realme 3 that has been made specifically for the Chinese market. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 710, just like the Realme X, and it packs a 4045 mAh battery. For 5 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, it costs $175. Pretty cheap, eh? So what do you think about these new Realme phones? Not bad, eh? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Nora from Daily, and I'll see you guys next time.